Hi to the sloth bear. They've put up details and the miniatures.
Shivani.
Hi Shivani. Hi Shivu. See?
Shiv.
This is full entertainment.
Say hi, Auntie Irving.
Her name is Shivani. Call her.
Shivani. Call her. Her name is Shivani.
Look at the nails. Look at the nails.
See how big.
Pointy, sharp nails. He's swinging like a pendulum. हे काय एक्साइटमेंट का?
हाँ. ते थोडंसं बिहेवियर कसं दाखवतात. Stereotypical behavior.
The spots where Shivani has come and dug.
For the ants and termites. So this is the stony grotto, the previous enclosure for the bears, and now we are kept like this only because most of the old people, old Mumbaikars have their good memories with this structure.
Now we are getting to the tiger section, and this is like a really dramatic moment that we are going to see. So like they say, take a pause and think. Very nice messages.
But मला तरी वाटतं wow, it's so beautiful. What a close-up. As you can see, he is hungry and he's looking for his keeper. See the crowd. Just enjoy this. This is after so many years. When we were kids, there were different animals. Oh, he's just like walking towards us.
पैसा वसूल सुंदर असंच मेंटेन करावं. असंच आणखीन 1-2 करावे जेणेकरून भारताला पर्यटकांसाठी एक आनंदाचं मौजेचं साधन.
तुम्ही कशासाठी इथे आलात?
स्पेशली वाघ बघायला.
हा हा. आणि का असं स्पेशली?
स्पेशली वाघ, लेपर्ड, काच लावल्यामुळे अगदी जवळून पाहता येतं म्हणून आलो खास बघायला. आणि वेल मेंटेन केलंय. ते बघून खूप आनंद वाटला.
तुम्ही काय म्हणाला?
खूप छान म्हणताय.
कारण एवढ्या वर्षाच्या माझ्या संपूर्ण हयातीत असं बॉम्बेमध्ये बघण्यासारखं म्हणजे काहीच नव्हतं.
एकेकाळी होतं ना?
एकेकाळी होतं फार पूर्वी, कळलं का?
हा.
पण ते आता आता वेल मेंटेन केलंय ते कसं मेंटेन केलंय आणि कसं काय केलंय ते खास बघण्यासाठी मी आले.
आणि आर यू सॅटिस्फाईड?
हां,
आर यू सॅटिस्फाईड?
आय एम व्हेरी व्हेरी
मोर दॅन
सॅटिस्फाईड.
सॅटिस्फाईड.
खूप छान केलेलं आहे.
खूपच छान, खूपच छान.
सो इट्स अ फुलफिल डे फॉर यू.
येस,
खूप छान वाटलं.
खूपच मस्त.
आणि असंच आणखीन कुठे कुठे मेंटेन करून भारतासाठी एक मेन म्हणजे भारतासाठी पर्यटकांसाठी काहीतरी खास करावं अशी माझी पुढची पण इच्छा आहे. सुंदर बघतो बघा, बघितलं ना
हो.
किती सुंदर बघतो बघा. म्हणजे पर्यटकांना त्याचा आनंद मिळाला जवळून बघण्याचा, ते मला खूप आवडलं. वाव,
पोरी एक्साइटेड आहेत, लहान मुलं धावत आहेत. सी यंगस्टर्स आर रनिंग. सो एक्साइटेड मुंबईकर्स आर टू सी द न्यू enclosures. There we go. Now we have two spots here, a hyena and a leopard. We are going into the leopard enclosure, and as you can see, they have built nets. So let's go.
First, the signage is very, very important because people don't know the difference.
Yay! See who's here.
This is our male leopard named Dragon.
Markings. This is the leopard. What a sighting. At the elephant enclosure. This is the last female elephant. As you can see, Anarkali is chilling right now. It's nearing noon, so they all need a little break. They all like to be in the cool place. Very ornate, well-made entrance, as you can see. So much to get to the tiger enclosure. And it is going to be dramatic, I am sure. The description that was given based on the Ranthambore Jugi and the viewing gallery. As we can see, it is a replica, and you can see enthusiasts out
आणि
here.
वाघासाठी खास आपण रणथंबोरची थीम बनवली. जोगी महलचा रेप्लिका आपण विविंग गॅलरी म्हणून केलं आणि रणथंबोरचा जो फोर्ट आहे
हां.
तो आपण बॅक साईडला बघतोय.
ओके.
त्या पद्धतीने आपण हे केलं आणि टोटल पूर्ण लँडस्केप आहे आणि फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया अंडर वॉटर विविंग कॉन्सेप्ट आहे, जिथे आपण टायगर स्विम करताना बघू शकतो.
अरे वा.
आणि रनिंग वॉटरफॉल आहे.
हो.
आणि आपण आता जस्ट टायगर रिलीज केलाय. मेन म्हणजे झू हे एज्युकेशन सेंटर्स आहेत आणि आपण जेव्हा झूमध्ये येतो तेव्हा तिथून आपण काहीतरी गोष्टी शिकल्या पाहिजेत. तर त्या गोष्टींसाठी आपण वेगळ्या प्रकारचे सायनेजेस बनवले आहेत, जिथे सर्वसामान्य माणूस ज्याला लिहिता वाचता येत नाही आहे अशा माणसांना सुद्धा ते पिक्चर्स बघून ते सायनेजेस कळू शकतात.
one here in the corner.
So all these are slab shelter. In the corner there is one Indian pond.
Oh, look at the rosy pelican walking, giving us one stuttering around and giving us the catwalk that it's doing. Yeah. See what a sight we have. We have spotted deers here. They all have huddled, na? This is the Humboldt penguin. It is resting right now.
They are doing training. So they clean their wings or feathers
Okay.
after swimming. Most of the time they are busy with the training. So we are provided with the water body as well as the land area.
And that has no, that is cold.
Yeah.
So they may think that it is ice, but it is not.
No. And mostly they are living on the seashores of South Korea, Chile and all that country. So they don't live on icy area. They live on seashores. So basically the landscaping is done in such a way that the animals get a habitat which they live in the wild. So while building the enclosure we have not cut any trees. So all the old trees or the exotic trees are saved while doing the developing work. So that's the very good sign, and you can see the glass viewing concept. The people can see the animal very closely, close to that glass. So it is very good experience that experience we can saw in the foreign countries. The same concept we applied over here, and people are very happy to see such development of the very own Rani Bagh.
How many people on an average every day are you getting, and every week?
In a day, in the odd days, 3,000 to 4,000 people, and during weekends it goes up to 8,000 to 12,000 people visit the Rani Bagh. This is the most visited garden in the Mumbai city.
And this is during lockdown. When did you start, and how now you all have moved this from, instead of entertainment, you've made it educative?
Yeah, basically the zoo is not a entertainment center, it is an education center, and you can see that we have placed the signboards or signages for the trees, for the animals, for the enclosures, so people can understand the information about the animal or the trees. They can collect the information. From that way we are educating the people, and also we are doing educational activities, and during lockdown we have done education activities online, like a live streaming of tiger enclosure on a Tiger Day, or we have celebrated a whole wildlife week on a social media platform with the different live session talks with the experts. Like this we are educating the people or citizens about the nature and wildlife.